Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to get a meeting link on the Gmail application if you would like to invite participants to an instant meeting. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 100,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Then click on this camera icon down below in the right side corner of the screen. Then tap on New Meeting at the top on the left side. Now click on Get a Meeting Link to Share, which is the first option down below. Here you have the meeting link that you can copy and send it to all of those people that you would like to invite to the meeting. Here you have the copy icon next to the bar containing the link. As you click on it, it will be copied, and you can also tap on the share invite button down below and share it on several social networking sites or via several networks. So basically that's it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.